Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to talk about functions. So here you can see I have created a .c file, functions.c, and here I have added the library function, the library stdio.h, and then I can access the main function. Okay, and now let's say I want to create one more function. Okay, so how actually we can do this? So we just have to give here a type. We can give here any type, integer, any type, but let's say it will not actually return anything to use here void, because void, when you use type void, it means it will not return anything. Okay, then we have to give here a name, function name, like it. Here you can see we have a name here. So let's say I want to set here a name that web tech, and here I'm going to give the opening and ending parentheses. Okay, first parenthesis and then curly braces. All right, inside it we will write printf, let's say, because it will not actually return anything. So we are going to actually say here that subscribe web tech knowledge, and now if I run it, you can see there is nothing. Why? Because we haven't actually access it, right? So to access the function, we have to go to the main function, and here we just have to mention the name of the function, and then like this. Okay, so we have to do this and now execute it, and here you can see we have, can use it at the top. Okay, so here you can see when I say void webtech at the top, and then actually I can access the webtech, right? And here you can see subscribe webtech knowledge. And now let's say want to say here one more function, and that is, let me just go here at the top, and I'll say here int let's say addition. Okay, addition, and here I'm going to say that, okay, printf, actually I'm going to say here that int x is equal to 10, y is equal to 20, and I'm going to say here int sum is equal to x plus y, return sum. Now go here at the addition, and here I'm going to say printf, and I'm going to print the variable. So it's integer type. So yeah, here I'm going to say %d, and I'm going to use here a comma, then the function for the addition, there is addition method. Okay, so addition actually will return something integer, and now let's run it, and here you can see nothing. Yeah, 30. Now actually I can say here, let's say \n, now it will actually go to the new line, and here you can see okay, what is the problem? Printf %b, and here I'm going to say -n. Okay, we'll go to the new line, and here you can see we have subscribe webtech also. All right, because of this function, and we have int addition function, and here you can see I have written sum, so it will actually print the value. Here you can see 30, and if I change the value here, let's say 40, and it will be 60. Okay, let me just clear it, and if I run it, you can see this is 60. The value is 60 now, right? 40 plus 20. So this is actually, you can write function and access it in the main function. Okay, and now let's say I don't want to use I actually want to I actually don't want to use it here. Okay, and I'm going to say here that, okay, I want int x, okay, as the parameter. Now here you can see we have addition, right? So we can actually pass two parameter from here, and that is, let's say 30 and then comma 60. So the value will be 90, right? Okay, now let's execute it, and here you can see the value is 19. So we can actually change from here, right? Let's say 70 plus 60, so it will be 130, right? So this is 130. So yeah, this is how you can actually pass the parameter also. So these are actually function, right? I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.